What's up, guys? In a collaboration with Print Nation and Game Buzz, the band Royalty Twerk Tune T-shirt is now available. You can check it out on Game Buzz and Print Nation Facebook page, and I will post the link below. It's only limited stock, so get it now. What's up, guys? This is Cielshock from City USA Mini 4-Wheel Drive Racing Squad, and I'm a teacher here in Works. And today we're gonna unbox Max Breaker XX-13 Violet Special. This kit is very special to me because Max Breaker is one of my favorite kits when I was a kid. Never get able to afford it, but today we are unboxing this, and when I unbox a kit, I'm gonna show you all the parts, what's inside the kit, and I will try the best as I can to give you advice in which category you guys can use the parts inside the kit in case you wanna use it for racing. Alright, so when you're buying a kit, obviously you will look what kind of kit is it. It says the Max Breaker, and this is an Aero series, so you can see over there it's an Aero series right there. You will see the parts on this side. You can see it's the Super XX chassis limited edition and all the parts over there, and you can see the where it's made of over there. So this one's made in Germany, I think, not in the motherland Philippines. Okay, and it was released in 2013. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox it. Thank you, MIGX, for this. I bought this from MIGS. Alright, so first of all, you have all your internal parts over here. You have those screws for stock racing. You have your washers. You have your eyelets over there. So you can see the eyelets. You can use for stock racing. You can use these screws for pro stock racing, specifically in the Philippines. Pro stock racing is basically you can modify the stock car, mix and match parts as long as it's from the box. You have your what do you call this, counter gear shaft. You have your 72mm shafts, right? Because it's a Super XX, it's a double X chassis, so this chassis is pretty wide, and you can use it for making your for piercing your wheels when you decided to use it for speed tech, and you can also use it for Super X and XX chassis to super stock and pro stock. All right, obviously your Tamiya grease over there. You have your propeller shaft. This propeller shaft is longer compared to a regular VS chassis, TZ, AR, and others single shaft motor shaft chassis propeller shaft. This one can be used for Super X and Super XX, but some people cut this and use it for speed tech and when they try to customize and reinforce their shafts. So this is very valuable when it comes to racing. Next would be a stock motor. It is a Mabuchi motor. It's not SMC. You can use this for box stock races, high-speed box stock races, box stock races that you can use that allows you to mix and match parts. And you have your 14mm. One of the valuable parts of this part is the 14mm plastic rollers with rings, so you can put O-rings over there. So this is very valuable when it comes to pro stock racers in the Philippines, because they use this when they mix match parts to control their car using O-rings. So this is very valuable, and also the colorway is violet, so it's very nice. Also, the rubber rings that comes with this, you can use it for pivot dampers, or you know, flexi dampers that they use nowadays for Japan Cup layout, for pivot dampers and sliding dampers nowadays. What else is in here? There you go, your classic 4-1 gear, the black and brown combination, which is very valuable. for pro stock racers. Also for speed tech racers, they use this when they're tuning their cars. You have your orange crown gears, which you can use to FM chassis, Super X, and Super XX, and also you can use it for FMA chassis. And obviously your pinion gear, the purple pinion gear. So you will not have that white pinion gear, you will have that purple pinion gear, which is better, in my opinion. Alright, next part would be the extra large, extra large diameter wheels, which for Super X and Super XX. Alright. Personally, I can use it for tune class too. I can use it for tune class high speed. I can use it because tune class, basic tune class high speed, which there's no trimming or cutting allowed because these wheels are already large. So, and it's closer to the body because there's no, it's not a narrow wide wheel. It's actually a narrow wheel. And it's extra large, so it's a extra large diameter but low profile. So this one is very valuable. Some people use it with high speed box stock, tune class box stock, and some people use it for speed tech or Tamiya class, which they like they actually carve this and drill holes to make it a 6-spoke wheel for Super X and Super XX, which is very, very nice. And the colorway. Yeah, so this is the B part of it, the wheels. So this is very valuable too. Next part will be this pink, large, low profile, hard tires. I know some people like color matching, so the pink one is kind of like hard to find when it comes to like a large diameter like this. So this is nice because it's large diameter. So again, you can use it for high speed tune class, basic tune class builds. You can also use it for speed tech and for stock racing. Some people trim this. It's actually a hard tire, so that's actually a nice tire already. You because for hard tires it's a lesser bounce, not totally no bounce, but lesser bounce when you trim it. Obviously, when you combine it with other settings. But this is the pink extra large diameter tire, so it's very nice. There you go. Next would be obviously the Super X chassis, Violet Special. As you can see, it's a Super XX. I don't have a video yet with Super XX, but soon I will have one. It's very nice purple. It's made of ABS plastic. If you're looking where you can find where it's made of an ABS plastic, as you can see over there. And you can use this for speed tech, pro stock. I would use it personally with speed tech or tune class, so I will cut this. Also the tail, it matches the color. Some people use it for pro stock, super stock, tune class. So this is very valuable as long as you compensate the weakness of this chassis. The next video that I will be making is an in-depth preview about the Super XX. But for now, we're unboxing this. So that's, you see, colors are very nice. And there you go, your internals. And you have that. You have the ABS Racing nose guard right here. The ABS Racing nose guard for Super XX. X chassis doesn't have that part, but we will talk about this nose guard more when I do the Super XX chassis video. And that's the Max Breaker TRF version, which is it's already chopped and have holes inside for weight reduction, and it's that very nice color pink and violet combination. So some people use this for super stock. I think it's called super stock now in the Philippines. But these are the rollers you can use for pro stock too. Overall, it's like a pro stock car or a super stock car for me. Yeah, and also these are your foil stickers, which is 2013. That's very nice already. See, that's the Super XX chassis special. And yeah, these are your instructions and everything. So that's it. This is your Max Breaker XX-13 Violet Special. And if you want videos like this, you can hit subscribe and then hit the bell button on the side, so every time I make a video you get the notification. Shout out to all the racers in the Philippines, pro stock racers of the Philippines, super stock racers of the Philippines, and all the noob works, 8 p.m, tuners North Mall, and all the racers all over the world. This is Cielshock from City USA. Cielshock from City USA Mini 4-wheel drive racing squad. I'm a teacher in noob works. As I always say, always race humble. We learn from you, you learn from us. Peace.